In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Firebase in your Android app from scratch. By the end, your project will be connected to Firebase, your configuration file will be in the right place, and your Gradle files will include the Google Services plugin and the Firebase SDKs you need. First, open the Firebase console and sign in. Click Create a Project, give it a clear, memorable name, and decide whether to enable Google Analytics now or turn it on later. When the project finishes provisioning, you'll land on the project overview. Here, click the Android icon to start the Android app setup. You'll be asked for your app's package name, the application. You'll find in your module level build.gradle or build.gradle.kts file. Make sure this matches exactly, including dots and case. Firebase uses it to link the config to your app. You can add an optional nickname for your own reference, then click Register App. Next, download the Google Services JSON file that Firebase generates. In Android Studio, switch to the project view so you can see folders clearly, then move that Google Services JSON into your app module's root directory, the one typically named app. You should end up with app/Google Services JSON. Don't rename the file and don't place it at the project root or inside SRC. Keeping it exactly in the app module is important so the plugin can find it. If you use build flavors or variants, you still only need this single file at the app level. Now let's wire up the Gradle configuration. In your project's root level Gradle file, add the Google Services plugin as a dependency, following the latest instructions in the Firebase setup guide so you're on a current version. Then open your module level Gradle file. Apply the Google Services plugin in that file, and place the plugin line at the bottom after the Android and Kotlin plugins. Inside the same module level file, add your Firebase SDK dependencies within the dependencies block. The recommended way to manage versions is to use the Firebase Android Bill of Materials, or BOM, which lets you omit individual versions for libraries like analytics or authentication while keeping them in sync. Be sure to check the Firebase documentation for the latest BOM version and the exact artifact names you plan to use. When those changes are in place, click Sync Now in Android Studio to fetch everything. If the sync completes without errors, your app is connected to Firebase and ready for you to start using the services you added.